morning everyone. Today we will start the revision on surface area and volume. Okay, so according to your requirement, you can go for some numericals. Okay, and how to take CSA, how to take LSA, that also we learn today. Okay, so I hope everyone knows the formula. Okay, everyone learn the formula. Okay. Everyone is having formula, no? There is no requirement of the formula, or can I write all the formulas? You have the formulas with you? I hope you have. Then we can start with some MCQ and then we'll go for some long question answers. Okay, so write down first question. Total surface area of the cube. Total surface area of the cube is 726 centimeter square. 726 centimeter square. Find its edge. Find its edge. The total surface area of the cube is 726 centimeter square. Find the length of its edge. Okay, options are given: 15 centimeter, 12 centimeter, 11 centimeter and 9 centimeter. Okay, cube total surface area. Okay, cube is having total surface area is how much? 6a square. Okay, cube is having surface area is nothing but 6a square. So here total surface area of a cube is nothing but 6a square, and I think total surface area is given 726 is equal to 6a square, and they are asking us find the edge, that means find the side. So here 726 divided by 6 is equal to a square. Check how much will it come. Is it 121 a square? Then what is a square is 121? Yes. Total surface area is 6a square. Then I am getting this division 726 divided by 6. Okay, check how much you will get the answer. Your options are given: 15 centimeter, 12 centimeter and 11 centimeter and 9. Yes, what is the answer? 121 is a square root of what? 11 centimeter, no? So option here 11 into 11 is 121. Therefore A is equal to 11 centimeter. So here which option is correct? Option C is the correct answer. Okay. So write down next question. I hope everyone is copying. Okay, write down. A cone has a height of 12 centimeter. A cone has a height of 12 centimeter and base radius is 3.5 centimeter. And base radius of 3.5 centimeter. How much ice cream can be put into the cone? How much ice cream can be put into the cone? Okay, I'll repeat the question. A cone has a height of 12 centimeter and the base radius of 3.5 centimeter. How much ice cream can be put into the cone? Okay, first option is given 154 centimeter cube. First option 154 centimeter cube. B 164 centimeter cube. C 176 centimeter cube. And D 184 centimeter cube. I'll repeat all the options. 154 centimeter cube, 164 centimeter cube, 176 centimeter cube and 184 centimeter cube. So here the cone height is given and base radius is given. Okay, so I will explain you with the help of diagram. Okay, so as I told you, wherever the diagram is necessary, actually they are not asking here. So for our understanding purpose, actually for area related to circle and this surface area volume, you have to draw the diagram and plot what all are the things are given. So here cone is given, cone height is given 15, correct? Sorry, 12 centimeter. Okay, cone height is given 12 centimeter h. Okay, and the base radius, this r is given 3.5 centimeter, correct? And they are asking us how much ice cream can we put into this. That means we have to find out its volume. So how much ice cream will it acquire, okay, into the cone. That means we have to calculate volume. Just by observing the options also will come to know that is a volume. Okay, so here centimeter cube, that means they are asking here volume. So what is the volume of the cone? Does anyone knows the formula? Volume of the cone is nothing but what? Volume of the cone is nothing but 1 by 3 pi r square h. So this is nothing but what? The volume of the cone. Okay, so volume we have to find out 1 by 3. Pi is not mentioned. I will take 22 by 7 into r square, that is 3.5 into 3.5 into height is how much? 12. Okay, so here what you can do, 1 by 3, 22 by 7. I will write here 35 by 10. Afterwards you can adjust the decimal. Okay, so 3, 7, 5s are 35, 4s are 12. Okay, 5 4s are 20 into 22 into 35 divided by 100. Okay, so here also we can simplify this. 2 0 and 0 get cancelled. So 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, 5 1s are 5, 5 7s are 35. Then 27 into 22 into 7, 154 centimeter cube. This is the answer. Is the option there? This option is there? Yeah, 154. Option A is the correct option. as we are solving MCQ here, but this MCQ not only for 1 mark, so some questions are lengthy and we have to think on that. That means they are not only 1 mark, they are maybe contains 2 marks and 3 mark questions also. Okay, some application based MCQs are also mentioned over here. I hope everyone is copied. Copied everyone. Okay, write down next question. Calculate what will be the surface area. Calculate what will be the surface area of cube whose volume is given as 216 centimeter cube. Whose volume is given as 216 centimeter cube. I will repeat the question. Calculate what will be the surface area of the cube whose volume is given 216 centimeter cube. Options are first 316 centimeter square, 316 centimeter square, B 216 centimeter square, C 116 centimeter square, D 416 centimeter square. D 416 centimeter square. So I will repeat this. Calculate what will be the surface area of a cube whose volume is given as 216 centimeter cube. First option 316 centimeter square, B 216 centimeter square, C is 116 centimeter square and D 416 centimeter square. Okay, this is the question. So very nice question this is. Here they are asking surface area. Okay, and surface area of the cube. And here volume of the cube is given. Volume of the cube is given, that means from that you will get the side. And once you get the side, then you can able to calculate the surface area. Okay. So here, A we have to find out, then only we will get the answer. So this kind of questions they will ask only for 2 marks. So be careful. Okay, you should know all the formulas. Then I will write here the volume of the cube is given how much? 216. So volume of a cube is 216 centimeter cube. Okay. So this is what the volume we have. Once you know the volume, then what is the volume of the cube? Volume of the cube is nothing but what? A cube. Okay. Volume of the cube is nothing but A cube, and A cube is nothing but 216 centimeter cube. So if I want to find out the cube root of this, so how to find out the cube root? This is a cube root of what? Yes, if you are not able to do, then go for the long division and group it. Okay, if you don't know how to do this, then you can go for the long division 216. Okay, here I know A is nothing but here 6 centimeter. Okay, so cube of this. So here you will get 2 ones are 2, 0 and 2 eights are 16. Again 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10, then 2 fours are 8. Then again 2 twos are 4, 2 sevens are 14, 3 nines are 27, 3 threes are and 3 ones are. So grouping of this 2 and this is nothing but 3. So 3 into 2 is nothing but what here? 6. So if you don't know, for some cubes, then you can directly go for the long division, and triplet you can collect. Okay, same triplet you can collect, then you will get the answer. So volume of the cube is 216 centimeter cube. That means A is equal to 6 we got. So now here they are interested in not in side, they are interested in the surface area. Okay, cube is having what? They are asking total surface area, no? Surface area of the cube. So here cube is having surface area. How much total surface area is 6a square. Okay. So total surface area of a cube is nothing but 6a square. So 6 into 6 square. So that is equal to 6 into 36 and 216 centimeters square. Check the answer is there. Yeah, that is B. Option B is the answer. Getting this? Copy. Everyone finish this. So now then go for the next one. Write down a right circular cylinder. A right circular cylinder. Base area is 176 centimeters square. 176 centimeters square, and it has radius of 4 centimeter. It has a radius of 4 centimeter. Then find the height of the cylinder. Then find the height of the cylinder. Then find the height of the cylinder. I'll repeat. A right circular cylinder base area is 176 centimeter and it has a radius of 4 centimeter, and then find the height of the cylinder. Options are given: 5 centimeter, 16 centimeter, 8 centimeter and 7 centimeter. I'll repeat: 5 centimeter, 16 centimeter, 8 centimeter and 7 centimeter. Okay. So here we have to find out the height of the cylinder. Okay. So here right circular base area. Okay. So right circular base area, cylinder base area is given. Cylinder base area, it's very important. Okay. Cylinder and its base area is given. I'll try to explain with the help of diagram. Here, this is what the cylinder, and cylinder is having base area, means this portion. Okay, this portion they give it as right circular cylinder. Base area is 176 centimeters square. Is it they mention it as a base area only? No. Yes. So base area, and the radius is also given, that is 4. Okay, radius of this is given how much? 4 centimeter. Okay, radius is given 4. So I will write here pi r square. Base area is nothing but circle, no? That is pi r square, and that pi r square is given 76 centimeter square, and radius is also given 4 centimeter. Okay. Now here we have to find out the circle cylinder ka height we have to find out. Okay. So how to find out the circle this thing height? Yes, can we find out here the height? Here data is, because we have the formula for height, means we are taking here the formula right circular cylinder. CSA is 2 pi RH. CSA is 2 pi RH. Correct? We know up to R. H we don't know. H we have to calculate, but CSA is also not mentioned. And if we take CSA also, this is the CSA, and if we take total surface area, that is 2 pi R, R plus H. 2 pi R, R plus H. 2 pi R, R plus H. Is it suppose base area? Now they are saying base area. Cylinder, right circular cylinder, base area. Okay. What I will do? Instead of taking pi r square, I will write here as a CSA only. Okay. We'll check with that we will get the answer or not. Okay. We can go for CSA. Otherwise, this data is insufficient here according to the given question. Okay, we will check. If we are writing CS as a 126, then 2 into pi into RH, so H is equal to 176, 2 pi RH, 2 pi R. So 176, 2 into 22, 7 is get reciprocal and R is nothing but here 4. Okay, so here 2 ones are 2. 2 8s are 16, 2 8s are 16, so 22 ones are 22, 22 4s are 88, so here this 4 is get cancelled, and height I am getting 7 centimeter. Is the option there 7 centimeter? Oh, let me check the answer key. His answer key is there. Yeah, that is 7 only. That means they took here CSA. Base area, always remember, base area is always here circle. Okay. And CSA means what? The curved surface of the cylinder. Means this is what curved surface, and given is what? Base surface. Maybe the question is misprinted. So here, whatever the base area is given, that you can take it as a CSA and solve this, and you will get the answer 7. Okay, copy this. Okay, everyone copied. Okay, write down next question. If the CSA, of a cylinder, if the CSA of the cylinder, CSA of a cylinder is 264 meters square, 264 meters square, full stop. Then the ratio of its height, and its diameter is, and its diameter is and its diameter is first option 3:7, 7:3, C 1:3, and 7:1. I'll repeat. The curved surface area, that is CSA, of a cylinder in 264 meters square, then the ratio of its height to its diameter is first 3:7, B 7:3, C 1:3, and D 7:1. Okay, so question is little bit different. CSA of the cylinder is given, that is 264. Find the ratio of its height to its diameter. Okay, so how can we find out here? This is little, only CSA is given. Okay, I'll keep this as it is. Okay, this is, I will write here only. CSA of the cylinder, this is, don't refer this diagram, only. So CSA is given 264. Then here also 264. So CSA is given. Then from this R and H we can keep it as it is, and then we can transpose the remaining term. 264 divided by 2 into pi is nothing but 22 into 7. I will write here. 2 ones are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Okay, again I will divide with 2, 1 and 1 here. 2 6s are 12, 2 6s are 12, 11 ones are 11, 11 6s are 66. So here we will get 6 into 7. Okay, so it's 42. I am getting R is to H is nothing but how much? R into H. I am getting 42. Then they are asking what here? R is to H ratio, no? They are asking R is to H ratio. So R is to H ratio, 7 6 are 42. Okay, R is to H ratio, how can you calculate here? Yes. How can you find out here? Do you know any other method how to get this R is to H? Yes. Curved surface area of the cylinder. Cylinder only they are saying, no? Correct? So cylinder is given here 264. Yeah. Check height is to diameter. They are asking ratio of height and its diameter. Okay. So how can we do this? Can you getting something here? Suppose here R into H is nothing but 264 into 7 divided by 2 into 22. 2 I will transpose here, that is 2R, and here H is equal to 264 into 7 divided by 22. Okay, and if I simplify this, here 11, 2, 3 and 2, and again if I, this is 11. So 11 into 132, 11 ones are 11. So here 222. That means here 11 ones are 11. This will come 12. Okay, 12 and because this choice of r is nothing but diameter. Okay, into height, then it is 12 into 7. Okay, 12 into 7 is there, and if we transpose h also, we will not get. What are the methods we can apply here again still, because CS of the cylinder is pi r h, 2 pi r h, and then we have 2 pi r. No, total surface area, so we can't go, no. Here I am getting stuck over here, I am not getting the answer. Let me check once the question whether it is correct or not. Okay, we'll check first. Just give me 2 minutes, let me check. The surface area of the cylinder. No, it's something is wrong. Here also they are showing already insufficient, inadequate data. Okay, so okay. Write down the next question. Write down the next question. 2 cubes. Leave this and write down the next question here, because insufficient data, some other value they must have to give. Means either they have to give the total surface area of the cylinder. Then from that we can find out one value and we can take a ratio. But here it is not mentioned. Okay. So chalo, write down the next question. 2 cubes of volume 8 centimeter cube. 2 cubes of volume 8 centimeter cube are joined end to end. Are joined end to end. Find cubes of volume 64 centimeter cube are joined end to end. Find the surface of the resulting cuboid. Find the surface of the resulting cuboid. Okay, I'll repeat. 2 cubes, each of volume 64 centimeter cube and joined end to end. Find the surface of resulting cuboid. Okay, so this is 2-mark question. I think the same question was there in the textbook also. Okay, maybe with different numeric, different value, I don't know, but this is same question is there in the textbook too. Okay, here cube whose volume is given, correct? Cube volume is given, that cube volume is nothing but here 64. Volume of a cube is 64 centimeter cube. That means a cube is nothing but 64 centimeter cube. Okay. Therefore, a is nothing but how much? A is nothing but 4 centimeter. Okay. Here we have two cubes. Okay. We have, this is one cube and another cube is what? Joined with this. Okay, another cube is what gets joined with this. So this is what another cube. Initially, it is having this is having side 4. Then another cube we joined. Then here what 4. So total length will become here 8 centimeter. The height will remain same. That is equal to how much? 4 centimeter. Because cube, no, all the sides are same. All the faces are, face length is same. Okay, height is same, and here the breadth, this also is also what? B is equal to 4 centimeter. Now once you know the area, means once you know the side, then you will get length, breadth and height, because when we are joining two cubes together, it forms the cuboid. Okay, and what they are asking here to find out? They are asking us to find out the find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. So resulting cuboid is here what? Surface area we have to find out. Total surface area is nothing but what? So cuboid के लिए total PSA is nothing but 2 into bracket L into B, B into H plus H into L. Okay. So this is what the formula we have. So substitute the values over here. 2 L is nothing but A, B is 4, 4 into 4 plus 4 into 8. Okay. So to make the calculation easy, you can take 4 as a common, 8 plus 4 plus 8. Okay. So 2 into 4, 8 plus 4 is nothing but 12, and 12 plus 8 is 20. So here this is 8 into 20, that is equal to 160 centimeters square. This is the answer. Copy this. Okay, copy this. Okay, copied. So we'll go for the next question. Write down. If the ratio of the two, if the ratio of volume, if the ratio of volume of of two spheres is 1:8, then find the ratio of their surface area. If the ratio of volume of two spheres is 1:8, then find their surface area. Okay, so here ratios are given. Okay, here ratios of the volume of the two spheres is given. So volume of the sphere is how much? Volume of the sphere is nothing but 4/3 pi r square h. So here volume of the sphere, volume of the sphere they are asking, so that is 4/3 pi r square. So here first we can write down the volume of the sphere is nothing but 4/3 pi r square. This is the volume of the sphere. Okay, and here what is given? The ratio of their volumes of the sphere is 1:8. Means I think there will be two spheres and their volumes are 1:3 ratio. That is 1/3. Oh, 1/8. 1/8 they are saying. 1/8. Okay, that means we can write here. We can write V1 by V2. This is nothing but 4/3 pi r1 square upon 4/3 pi r2 square. Okay, so this is nothing but what? The volume of the sphere. Can you getting this? Then we have to find out the surface area. So surface area of the sphere. Surface area of the sphere is I think 4 pi r square. No, sphere के लिए 4 pi r square. Surface area is nothing but 4 pi r square. Getting this? So what I will do here, 4/3 pi and pi get cancelled. This is 1/8 and this is r1 square by r2 square. I will keep it as it is. I will not use this. I will not take square root of this. So here they are asking the ratio for their surface area. So surface area 1 upon surface area 2 is nothing but 4 pi r1 square and 4 pi r2 square. Okay. So 4 pi get cancelled and you will get r1 by r2 square. That is nothing but 1/8. So this is what the ratio. Getting this? Write down next one. Copy. Write down. Two cones have their heights in the ratio. Two cones have their ratios. Their heights in the ratio. The two cones have their heights in the ratio 1:3. 1:3 and radii in the ratio 3:1 and radii in the ratio 3:1. What is the ratio of their volumes? What is the ratio of their volumes? Think on this. Okay. So here question is that two cones have their heights in the ratio 1:3 and radii in the ratio 3:1. Find the ratio of their volumes. Okay. What is the volume of the cone? 1/3 pi r square h, no? Correct. So here very important question. We have started with 1 mark question, then 2, 3 and then 5. Okay, like that we can go. So here the volume, they are saying the two cones is having their heights. Heights are nothing but 1:3. h1 by h2 is nothing but 1/3, and another is nothing but what? The radii, their ratio means radius is having ratio r1 by r2 is equal to, I think, 1/8. Correct? So not 1/8, it's 3:1. Yeah, 3:1, that is 3/1. Now they are asking to find out the volume of their cones, find out the ratio of the volumes. Okay, so here cone is there and volume of the cone is nothing but 1/3 pi r square h and 1. Can you getting this? Okay, pi r square h1, and second volume is nothing but what? 1/3 pi r2 square h2. So here v1 by v2 is nothing but 1/3 pi r1 square h1, and here 1/3 pi r2 square into h2. 1/3 pi and pi get cancelled. So r1 square upon r2 square into h1 by h2. So r1 is nothing but here we have 3/1. So 3/1 whose square, because here square and here only the ratio this given. Okay, radius and height h1 and h2 is 1/3. So here 3 into 3 upon 1 into 1/3. So this 3 and this 3 will cancel, and you will get a volume v1 by v2 is nothing but 3/1. Okay, copy this. Getting this, how to solve if the ratios are given? Okay, copied everyone? Everyone is getting this? Copy it, write down what are the given quantities. Yes, copy. Chalo, we'll go for the next question. Write down. volume of the right circular cylinder, the volume of the right circular cylinder with its height equal to radius, with its height equal to radius, equal to its radius, and radius is 25 1 by 7 centimeter cube. Okay, find the height of the cylinder. Find the height of the cylinder. Very important question. Read the question properly. Here the volume of the right circular cone means here this volume is given. At least watching this unit. Okay, like check this unit. Centimeter cube is there. That means volume of the right circular cone is given. Right circular cylinder is given here. And what they are saying, its height is equal to the radius. Means its height equal to what? Its radius. Both are same here. And they are asking us to find out the height of the cylinder. Okay. So here what is the volume of the cylinder? It is very important. Volume of the cylinder. What is the volume of the cylinder? Anyone knows the formula? Volume of the cylinder is nothing but pi r square h. Okay. So here volume is given 22 1 by 7. So convert this into normal fraction. So 25 into 7 is nothing but here 106 means 27. 127. Not 27, 176. 176 is equal to pi. Now this is r square. And h is nothing, h is also what? R only, no? So they are asking what here? Yeah, R. So I will replace this h by R only. So this will become pi r cube and 176 by 7. So r cube is nothing but 176 upon 7. Pi is 22 and here I will multiply by 7. Because 7 is get reciprocal. 7 and 7 get cancelled. Here 11. So 2 8s are 16, 8s are 16, here 1 and this is 8. So here it will come 8. So r cube is nothing but 8. Therefore if we take a cube root on both the sides, this I will get it as a 2 centimeter. Getting this? So copy this. This kind of questions are also very important. And what they are asking here, they are asking height. So here radius and height are same, no? So this is nothing but whatever height. Everyone is copied. Now write down next question. Next question is also important. This is also question which is came in the board exam. Write down. A solid in the shape of cone, a solid in the shape of cone mounted on a hemisphere, of same base radius full stop if the curved surface area of the hemispherical part of the hemispherical part and the conical part are equal then find the ratio of the radius then find the ratio of the radius and height of the conical part. So read this question carefully. Here a solid is in the shape of cone surmounted on the hemisphere of same base radius if the CSA, that is curved surface area of a hemispherical part and the conical part are equal, then find the ratio of the radius and the height of the conical part. Okay, so I will draw a diagram here first, then from that we will get some idea. There is a solid, okay, which is kept or surmounted on the hemisphere. Okay, conical part is there, that conical part is surmounted on the hemisphere. So I will draw the figure. This is a hemisphere and conical part is surmounted on this. Okay, so here hemisphere of a same base radius. Okay, means this cone and this hemisphere is having radius r. Okay, if the CSA of the hemispherical part and conical part are equal, CSA are equal, means here I can write CSA of a hemisphere is equal to CSA of a cone are equal. Okay, then equal, find the ratio of the radius and height. Okay, find the radius and the height of the cone, I think, correct, no? Cone, height of the conical part. This height h we have to find out. Okay, so how to find out here? So hemisphere CSA is how much? Hemisphere CSA is nothing but here. CSA of the hemisphere is nothing but 2 pi r square. Okay, and CSA of the cone is nothing but here we can write it as pi r l. Okay, pi r l. So pi and pi is get cancelled. R is same, the 1 r and this r is get cancelled. Twice r is equal to l. This relation we will get because nothing, we don't know anything. So 2r is equal to l. This relation we got. Now our aim is to find out the ratio of the radius and height. Okay, so 2r is equal to l I got here. Then here we can write CSA, no? CSA of the cone, we know that here CSA of the cone is nothing but pi r l. So l is nothing but what? Pi r square root of, we can write r square plus h square, no? that we can write it over here. Okay, and if we write, and CSA value is also not given, no. That value is also not given. But can we, CSA of the cone is this much. Okay, one more thing we can do. Here we are saying no, 2 pi r square is nothing but pi r l. Correct. So what I will do here, 2 pi r square is equal to pi r. L is nothing but r square plus x square. I will write it like this. Means here you can write L is nothing but r square plus x square. 2 pi, sorry, here the pi and pi is get cancelled, 1 and 1 r is get cancelled. So we get 2r is equal to square root of r square plus x square. Okay, make a square root on, take a square, do square on both the side. So this will become 4r square plus x square. Okay, so here 4r square and r square you can transpose to this side. Okay, is equal to x square. This is nothing but 3r square is equal to x square. Okay, so if I take here, I will transpose this here. I will write 3 x square by r square, and therefore we can write root 3 is equal to h by r. So this is the ratio by for height is to radius. That only they are asking, no ratio of the radius to the height of the conical part. So ratio of the radius and height, and I took it here as a height to r. So just reciprocally r by h is nothing but 1 by root 3. Okay. So this is what the relation. This is 2-mark question. Copy this. Okay, use your whatever the knowledge you have, you can apply. You will get the answer. Everyone copied this? Write down. From a solid right circular cylinder, from a solid right circular cylinder of height 14 centimeter, of height 14 centimeter and base radius is 6 centimeter, and base radius is 6 centimeter, comma, a right circular cone of same height and same base removed, of same height and same base removed from the volume of the remaining solid. Removed, find the volume of the remaining solid. From a solid, I will repeat this question, from a solid right circular cylinder of height 14 centimeter and the base radius 6 centimeter, comma, a right circular cone of same height and same base removed Find the volume of the remaining solid. Find the volume of the remaining solid. Find the volume of the remaining solid. Okay. So here one solid right circular cylinder is given whose height and base radius is given. Okay. First write down all the given things, then you can draw the diagram and try to find out what they are asking. Okay. So here the height is 14 centimeter. Base radius is given how much? 6 centimeter. Okay. Base centimeter is 6 centimeter. Right circular cone. Okay. They are saying from a solid right circular cylinder of height is this. Okay. This is given for cylinder. Okay. And the right circular cone of a same height and same base is removed. Okay. Find the volume of the remaining solid. So they are saying here from the cylinder they are removing that conical part. Okay. So they are saying removed. A conical circular cone is removed. So maybe the diagram will come. This is what the cylinder. Okay. And they are saying same height. That means they removed this much conical part from this. Okay. Can you able to see this shaded part? This is removed from the cylinder. Okay. So they are asking find the volume of the remaining solid. So we can write here volume of remaining solid. Volume of remaining solid is equal to what you will get, the volume of the cylinder, okay, minus volume of the right circular cone. Volume of cylinder minus volume of a right circular cone. So here volume of the cylinder is nothing but what? Volume of the cylinder is nothing but pi r square h, and volume of the cone is nothing but 1 by 3 pi r square h. Okay. Here base radius is same. Okay. I will take common pi and r square, and even height is also same. So h, so here 1 minus 1 by 3. Okay. That is nothing but 3 minus 1, that is 2 by 3 pi r square h. So 2 by 3 pi is nothing but not mentioned 22 by 7. R is nothing but here 6 into 6, and height is nothing but 14. So 7 2s are 14, 3 2s are 6. Okay. Here you will get 44 and here 4. So 16 and here 176 centimeter cube is the remaining solid. Okay. Getting this? 44, no? Oh, 6 is left, sorry, 6 is left, no, here. Okay, multiply this also by 6. 6 6 are 36, here 3, 6 7s are 42, here 5, 4 will come on the top, then 1056 centimeter cube. 1056 centimeter cube is the answer. Okay, copy this. Write down. Write down the question. I hope everyone is getting this. Okay. So write down the next question. I am taking all the questions which are very important, as well as
the questions which are repeatedly asked in the exam. That questions only I am taking. And moreover, here you should know the formulas, and your imagination power should be more in this, required more for this chapter. Okay, what is subtracting, what is getting added, okay, then which figure will form, that everything you have to remember, and you should learn the formulas first. If you know the formula, then only you can find out the relation, because for this exam also they will not ask any direct questions. Okay, they will ask something, find out the relation, and then find out the volume, then find out the CSA, like that questions will come. Because this year also, as the CBSE predicted, the application based questions are there for maths also, and as you have a 10 days gap, so they are saying the paper may be difficult. Okay, so write down the question. The right circular cylinder, write down the right circular cylinder and cone the right circular cylinder and cone have equal bases and equal heights, full stop, if their CSA are in the ratio, 8 is to 5, comma, show that the ratio between radius of their bases to their height is 3 is to 4. I will repeat. A right circular cylinder and a cone have equal bases and equal heights, full stop, if their CSA are in the ratios 8 is to 5, and show that the ratio between radius of their bases to their heights is 3 is to 4. Okay, so try to solve this question. Here again two figures are given, right circular cylinder as well as cone, and they are saying they are having the equal base and equal heights. Okay, so try to sort out this. This is also IMP question. Examiner loves the questions which are there in the ratio forms. Okay, they really like it, and mostly they will ask this kind of question. Okay, the CSA of the cylinder and CSA of the cone. CSA, yeah. CSA of a cylinder, and here I will write CSA of a cone is given. CO for cone and CY is for cylinder. That CSA is given 8 by 5. 8 is to 5, that means 8 by 5. And another ratio is also given now. Show that their ratio is 3 by 4. Oh, we have to show the ratio of their radius and the base height. To radius of their bases to the height is 3 is to 4. Okay, we have to prove this. Okay, 3 is to 4, we have to prove it. Then how can you solve? I don't know anything about this. How to solve here? Though what is a cylinder surface area? 2 pi RH, correct? 2 pi RH, and CSA of the cone is nothing but pi RL, that is nothing but 8 by 5. Okay, pi and pi get cancelled, then their base radius and this radius is also get cancelled, and we have 2h by L is nothing but 8 by 5. Getting this? 8 by 5 we have. So once we get this, then here one more adjustment we can do. So can I remove this? 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. So h by L is equal to 4 by 5. Then h I will keep it as it is, and L is nothing but what? R square plus h square, no, is equal to 4 by 5. Can you getting this? If I take a square root on both, if I make a square on both the sides, so I will get here h square upon r square plus h square is equal to 4 square is 16 divided by 25. Okay, so here 25 h square, 16 inside the bracket r square plus h square. Okay, so here 25 h square is equal to 16 r square plus 16 h square. Okay, so 25 h square minus 16 h square is equal to 16 r square. So now 25 minus 16 is nothing but 9 is equal to 16 r square. So you can take r square by r, h square by r square is nothing but 16 by 9, and if you take a square root on both the sides, so h by r is nothing but 4 by 3. Hence proved. Getting this? How we are solving? See, this kind of questions are very important, because normally we are always practicing the solid shapes, their CSA, then TSA, okay, their volumes and all we are calculating, but these kind of questions are also very important, and there is a high chances to ask this kind of questions. Getting this? Here I got h by r is 4 by 3. You can reverse the ratio, you will get 3 by 4. Okay, copied. Write down the next question. This is the last question, after that I will stop. Write down. Rampal decided to donate canvas. Rampal decided to donate a canvas for 10 tents, conical in shape, with base diameter 14 meter, base diameter 14 meter, and height 24 meter, and height 24 meter to center of 24 meter to a center for handicapped persons welfare, full stop. If the cost of 2 meter wide canvas, if the cost of 2 meter wide canvas is rupees 40 per meter. Find the amount by which Rampal helped the center. I'll repeat this question. Rampal decided to donate a canvas for 10 tents, conical in shape, with base diameter is 14 meter and height 24 meter to a center for handicapped persons welfare. If the cost of 2 meter wide canvas rupees 40 per meter, find the amount by which Rampal helped the center. Okay, so here we have to calculate the surface area, that is CSA of the tent. Okay, so for CSA of a tent, CSA is a conical in shape, that is pi r L, but L is not given here. Okay, question is little bit lengthy. Okay, because 10 tents are given, then cost is given, that width is also given. Okay, that all quantities are there, so you have to go step by step. You will get the answer. Okay, first write down the given quantities. Here the diameter is given 14. Diameter is given 14 meter, so radius is nothing but 7 meter. Okay, then they are saying here height. The h is nothing but here 24 meter. Then after that, yeah, the rupees cost, that we can do it afterwards. Okay, then CSA of a cone or CSA of a cone or a tent is nothing but what? Pi r L. But the problem is that I don't know the L, so L we have to calculate. L is nothing but what? R square plus h square. So R is nothing but here 7 square and this is how much? 24 square. Okay, simplify this, how much you will get, check. Okay, 576 plus 49 is nothing but 5, 2 and 6, that means 625. That means L is nothing but 25 meter. Okay, once you get this, then you can go for the CSA of the tent. Okay, so CSA I already wrote pi r L, 22 by 7, R is 7 and L I got it as 25. Some cancel this 7 and 7 and answer is 550 meter square. This is what the CSA. Okay, for one cone. Okay, but surface area for there is 10, total 10 tents are there. So total tents area or total tents CSA is nothing but 10 into 550, that is nothing but 5500. Okay, this is what meter square. This is what the area for 10 tents. But they are saying what here? Cost is also given, no? They are saying here the total cost is nothing but 40 rupees per meter. But they are saying one more clause. If the cost of 2 meter wide canvas is rupees 40 per meter, find the amount by which Rampal helped the center. Okay, 40. So here we will take a cost. This is very important. Cost we are normally multiplying, but here 2 meter wide, that means 5500 into 40 divided by 2. That is, we have to divide by 2 here. Okay, and then you will get the answer. So here 5500 into 20. So find out the answer. Check how much you will get. That is almost, we will get it as 11,000 rupees is the answer. Getting this? So here the total amount by which Rampal helped to the center is 11,000 rupees. Getting this? These questions are very important. Maybe if I get a time, I'll keep one more session in the afternoon. So you can go through all these questions, formula for this chapter. Okay. I hope you understood the numericals which we covered in today's session. Practice all that numericals at home. Okay, learn the formulas. Learn the formulas which are already provided. Okay, I will end this session. You all can leave. Okay.